It's a great day at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa. This is the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 four-wheel drive regular cab in the red quartz tint coat. Ecotec 3, 5.3 liter direct inject V8 engine, 8-speed automatic transmission. You got all the safety features in here like the forward collision warning, lane keep, front parking sensors. Let's jump on in and take a look around. Got the all-cloth upholstery through here, 40-20-40, split bench seat, room for 3 across the front. Got that assist step there, chrome assist step to help you climb in and out. Power driver adjustable seat with lumbar support and those GMC branded premium floor mats as well. We're going to jump on in and work our way left to right. Get the trailer brake, four-wheel drive selector and interior lighting. And as advertised, you got that forward collision warning there. You can try this out with different distances. It's going to keep you up to date about the flow of traffic in front of you. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel. Headlights, turn signals, and intermittent wipers. And you also have toggles back here on the left hand side to save and scroll through some favorite radio stations. Right hand side has your hands-free calling and voice command. Driver Information Center menu, you can scroll through here and it's going to show you all you need to know about your regular cab right there at your fingertips. You got your hazards, and you have a volume control behind the steering wheel, some toggles there. You got the gear shifter with tow mode, and that takes us to the IntelliLink screen, which is full color touch. AM, FM, Sirius XM, satellite radio, time and temperature display. Now you also have onboard navigation, so you don't have to worry about those old GPS units that always fell off the suction cups. You got the traffic icon there, and you do have the projection, so if you have an enabled smartphone, you can plug that in via USB, and some of your favorite features will appear right there on the touch screen. And when you throw this in reverse, you get that full color rear backup camera with trajectory. You also have the parking sensors, and as soon as I put that into reverse, I got a seat vibration to let me know about something around me there, in this case the wall. So the parking sensors, front and rear, the on-off switch is right there. You've got the phone icon. You can pair yourself up for hands-free calling and enjoy stored media. SMS text messaging and the full range of OnStar services. MP3 compatible CD player, temperature controls, front and rear defrosters, AC button, fan speed operator, got your traction control, cargo lamps on and off, and that is your lane keep system. While utilizing that, it's going to let you know if you've drifted out of the lane while you're driving. Storage space, 12 volt and 3-prong power below, so plenty of opportunities to plug in there, keep connected. Locking storage in the middle of that 40-20-40. You've also got the fold down armrest with cup holders, 3 of them, a place to rest your device. And on the inside, storage space, 2 USB, auxiliary, and 12 volt power. And this will tuck out of the way quite easily. Double glove box there. The top portion is a locking glove box, and you even have another USB port. And the premium floor mats once again. OnStar services just there at the rear view mirror. And up from that you have overhead LED lighting and some sunglass storage. You got those 20-inch aluminum wheels. You got Continental all-season tires. Body colored mirror caps. Wheel locks installed. Got the GMC branded mud flaps and the corner steps, both left and right. The rear parking sensors. Got your SLE badging there on the right hand side. Hookups for trailer and hitch with the trailering package all ready to go. And your GMC branded hard tonneau cover. Easy lift and lower tailgate. Comes down so smooth and quiet. You also have the spray-on box liner. It's going to keep this truck in great shape for years to come. No scratching, no denting, and as an added bonus, it's great for traction as well. You're out there, you got a little bit of snow, a little bit of rain, working in the back of the truck. It's going to keep you upright. Got the tie downs on both sides and LED lighting below. Nice chrome accents here on the front. You've got the fog lights, the front parking sensors there, the chromed tow hooks, and there is a look around that 2018 regular cab. You want to give this one a test drive? Come on down to Mills Motors at 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa, where we always do whatever it takes.